the kind of movie you think is just a wholesome family bonding flick until someone screams, someone cries, and someone unloads 20 years of trauma over Lumpiang Shanghai. And the breadwinner is. Ang dami ang gustong sabihin, ang daming gustong ipa-feel. May utang na loob, may sibling rivalry, may generational trauma, may gender identity, tapos biglang may joke. Parang pinagsabay ang isang MMK episode, isang comedy bar, at isang noontime show skit. Hindi siya laging swak, pero may moment na gumagana. Vice Ganda, of course, is the front and center as Bambi, the bunso turned breadwinner. She's funny, loud, and at times emotional. Pero aminin natin, some scenes spill out of it. Pero yung third act, nagulat ako. The 10-minute one take during the confrontation was solid. Ramdam mo na biglang nagkabuhay yung pelikula. Ang galing ng blend ng drama and comedy dun. Parang sa dami ng sabog sa simula, dito lang sila nagsama-sama para sabihin, ayan, ito talaga ang gusto namin iparamdam. And don't get me wrong, there are moments of sincerity. That conversation between Bambi and Boy about his sexuality, so simple but you feel the care. No fanfare, just real. The problem is, ang daming side plots na parang bigla na lang nawala. Parang ang daming gustong itackle pero wala talagang tinututukan. Pero again, I'll give it this. When it hits, it hits. Especially kung ikaw yung tipong laging sumasalo, laging ambag, laging may abono, tapos tahimik ka lang. Pero I get why people would still enjoy it. You know, even when it's a bit messy, it still has heart. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the movie. Bye!